Hi friends, you're watching Learn to Update. Welcome to the another video of job news series. We have many more interesting job news covered in this video. Before starting the video, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to stay updated. And a small important notice before starting the video friends. All the information about jobs covered in this video is off-campus drive for freshers. All the companies for freshers only. The first organization of this video is Finastra. The future of finance is open. Finastra is hiring for data quality specialist, asset management, and it is the location for Pune. All the details for this job role is given here, and the required skills, knowledge and experience for this job roles is degree in computer science, information systems management or related discipline, proficiency with data processing and data warehousing, big data environments, languages such as SQL or any data manipulation, ServiceNow experience desirable, knowledge of ITIL asset management desirable, proficiency in Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Outlook preferred. So these are the required skills, knowledge and experience for this job role. And the responsibilities for this job role is also given here. So if you want to apply for this job role, simply you have two ways to apply for this job role. One is directly from the My Workday Jobs website, and the another one is apply with LinkedIn. So if you have LinkedIn profile, simply click on this button and it will take you the further processes. If you don't have LinkedIn profile, you can simply click on apply button and it will take you the further processes. And the next organization is Cisco. So Cisco is hiring for human resources leadership program as an intern. This is also an off-campus drive friends. So we all know Cisco is one of the leading software solutions. We must be an MBA or master's degree program with concentration in HR. They are actually recruiting for HR. That's why they are expecting a degree in which is a concentration in HR. And excellent academic credentials with proven compensation of business fundamentals, minimum of 2 years relevant work experience between bachelor's and master's program of during master's program, year of passed outs 2022 only, proven leadership skills, ability to drive change and a work knowledge of HR competencies, ability to think strategically, partner with business units and articulate how HR can positively impact business effectiveness, strong passion for building a career in human resources, willingness to locate to Cisco East headquarters in Bangalore, India. So these are the skills which are expected by the company from the candidates. So if you are interested for this internship opportunity, you can simply click on apply button here. And the next organization is Mutual Mobile. So they are hiring for full stack developer. The qualifications, the educational qualifications for this job role is BE, BTech, CSRIT, DCI, MCA, and the target batch will be 2019-2020, and the probation or training period is 3 to 6 months. During training period, they will pay something per month for you candidates who selected for these job roles. And the job description and qualifications, experience with HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript, jQuery is a plus, and desired skills, knowledge of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, knowledge of front-end and back-end technologies, web design experience not necessary but will be helpful in the role, ability to work in a fast-paced and deadline-oriented environment. So these are the desired skills from the organization, from the selected candidates. And some qualifications, extra qualifications are also given here, and interview process is also given here. And the next organization is Gensar. Gensar is hiring candidates in a virtual manner, so we need not to attend any kind of in-office interviews or in-office tests for this particular organization. So all the process will be done only virtually. Selection process is given here, online registration and essential skills for this job role is also given here, and the eligibility criteria is also given here. BE BTech in Computer Science, Information Technology or MCA pass outs in the year 2019 and 2020 can only apply. An applicant must have scored a minimum of 60% throughout academics, SSC, HSC, Diploma and BE BTech MCA, and an aggregate of 60% in the highest qualification till the semester for which results have been declared. So no live backlogs at the time of applying for the online assessment is also a criteria from this organization. If you want to apply for this job role, you can simply click on register now button and it will take you to the further processes. And the next organization is CloudStrats Technologies Private Limited. So this is also an off-campus drive and they are hiring for database administrator intern, and the job description is given here, and required candidate profile is must have good communication skills, analytical skills, programming solving skills. Role, industry type, functional area, employment type, role category are also given here, and the UG and PG is graduation not required. Any graduate in any specialization is okay for this organization. Key skills will be database administration, SQL, MySQL database development, MySQL database administration. So if you possess these skills irrespective of the education qualification you are having, you can apply for this job role, because there is a point to be noted: graduation not required for this particular organization. So if you possess these skills, you can simply click on apply button, log into apply button, and it will take you to the further processes. And the next organization is JETA. JETA is hiring for software development internship 2021. And what is the job like? Who should apply for this post? Students graduating in the year 2021 and available to intern for a semester long internship from January to June 2021. You have the makings of an ace developer, impressive problem solving skills, sharp reasoning and a logical bend. You are passionate about programming and delivering clean, test covered, well designed, scalable code. You have a good grasp on programming fundamentals including OOPS, design patterns, algorithms, data structures, networking, etc. and are not rigid with respect to choice of technology, are relatively platform agnostic and open to adopting the right technology for the task at hand. And skills, you are acquainted with, have mastered a few of the below skills. The skills for this organization is given here, and bonus points are also given here. So if you possess the skills and if you are a graduate from BTech or BE, you can simply click on apply for this job button and it will take you the further processes. And the next organization is Rust Labs. So Rust Labs is hiring for software developer. So the educational qualification for this job role is BE BTech CS or IT MC 2020 batches. Good PH score, good academics. Job description is given here. You should possess the following in terms of skill and attitude. And candidates would be onboarded as interns initially for the first 3 months, during which stipend would be 15,000 per month. Post internship CTC will be 4 to 4.5 lakhs per annum. Candidates willing to join immediately need only apply. And if you possess the skills and satisfies the certain eligibility criteria for this opportunity, you can simply click on login to apply and it will take you to further processes. So friends, these are all off-campus drives. All the links for these off-campus drives is given in the description box. If you want to apply for this job role, you can simply click on those links and you can apply for the job roles. If you have any problem while applying for the particular job roles, you can simply comment down in the comment box. Finally, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the big fat like button and share the video to the people who needs this the most. Thank you all for watching the video. Keep learning, friends.